Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we are going to see some free live online workshops that are going to be conducted by Lync, which is one of the fast growing platform where you can get engineering related courses, and it's best for automotive and mechanical engineering students, and you also have something related to technology as well in this platform. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video content and let's see what are the free workshops that are going to be offered by them in upcoming days. So the first one is a free certified bootcamp on data science from choice to necessity. So this will be on 20th December 2021 at 6 p.m. So here in this workshop, you'll get to know what is data science and how it is being used in the real world. And you can learn all these things from the experts. And after completing the workshop, you can also get a participation certificate from Lync. So this is the first one. Next one is free certified bootcamp on electric vehicle battery management system, which is often called as BMS. So here again, you are going to learn from the experts about battery management system, and after completing the workshop you can download your certificate. If you just want to know what you'll exactly learn, you can just go through the things given here. And next one is fundamentals of civil engineering surveying, and this will be on 25th December 2021 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you're outside of India, just convert this time to your local time zone. And the next one is introduction to Salesforce developer. So this is basically for anyone who would want to become a Salesforce developer. So here in this workshop, you will learn how you can become a Salesforce developer and what are the tools and technologies that you need to learn, and you'll learn about Salesforce certifications, job and career opportunities in it. And the next workshop is introduction to thermal fluid sciences. So this will be offered on 21 December 2021 at 5 p.m. So make sure that you are available at that time, at that date, to attend the workshop. All these are live online workshops, so you do not have to go anywhere. You can just sit at your home and attend these workshops, and these are absolutely free. So now to enroll in these workshops, all you need to do is just fill in your details here, like your name, email address and mobile number, and click on this register now button. And you might receive a enrollment link via your mobile number, to the inbox in your mobile, or you'll receive an email through which you can enroll in the program and attend it. So you'll get that link in the mail or in the message. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you would like to get more updates about free online courses or workshops like these, just make sure that you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.